So, hi everyone, this is Ikaruga Gaming PH, and today we'll be unboxing another, well, medyo matagal na yung last unboxing natin, but today we'll be unboxing this one. So, sorry. Let me zoom out a bit. Yeah. The Seiren X, the Razer Seiren X, hindi sakto sa frame. Sorry for that. Ayusin ko na lang ano. Yeah, but yeah, we will be unboxing the Seiren X. So, ayos ko ang konti yun. Where is that? Okay, yan. We'll be unboxing the Seiren X, Razer Seiren X made for PS4. So, ang alam ko ito yung unang microphone or condenser mic na PS4 licensed from Razer. So yeah, without further ado, let's just open it. So, naano ko na siya kanina just to check yung contents, but yeah, so let's unbox it. So first off, so let's just put this here. First off, so we have the mic there. So, yeah. So, ayan, kita nyo naman yung PS4, PlayStation logo. So, this mic is black. So, as you can see, this mic is black with blue. So, ito yung unang nakalagay. So, lagyan mo natin siya sa gilid. And then, we have this, I'm not sure, I think this is a card from Razer with the Razer CEO's called signature. So yeah, and then ano ba to? Okay, so instructions on how to assemble and connect the mic. So yes, so let's just put this aside as well, and then this is, oh, nice. Sorry for the wobble. A pair of Razer stickers. Okay. And then instructions, I think warranty information din to, but yeah, that's it. So together with those, of course, hindi naman pwedeng mic lang, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng hawakan mo lang yan. So we have the weighted stand here. So yeah. Oops, I never focus on this. Yeah. Weighted stand, and of course, how will you be able to connect this to this stand without this? So ito yung connector niya. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, focus. Yeah, connector. So aside from that, of course, last but not the least is the cord or the cable. So this comes in a braided USB Type-C L-type cable. So USB Type-C to USB-A or the normal USB. So braided siya. Yeah. So without further ado, let's do a sound check or a mic check. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, continuing with the unboxing as well as quick review of the Razer Seiren X. So we'll do a mic check momentarily. So currently I'm speaking through my headset, which is a Fantech, by the way. Yeah, so this is how I sound currently when I'm using the Fantech headset that I have. So I will transferring to I will be transferring to Seiren X for a while to see how it actually compares. So again, this is my microphone. This is my Fantech headset. So mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Okay. Transferring now to the Seiren X.
Okay, so um, I am now speaking through. Teka, tingnan ko lang ha. I'm not sure how kasi meron siyang volume at the back. I'm not sure how to actually or kung saang yung direction yung uh, add ng volume or yung but yes, I'm now speaking through the Seiren X condenser mic. What the difference is, but yes. So as I mentioned a while ago, meron siyang knob at the back, control the volume, and then the mic also has a button to mute or unmute yourself. Siguro ang again, I'm not sure of the quality of the audio, but first off, siguro ang ayaw ko lang is that the volume knob as well as the mute and unmute button is at the back of the mic. Um, Also, by the way, the button, the mute and unmute button, has an LED or a LED or light emitting diode light. Um, where that shines blue pag enabled yung mic and then nagre-red siya pag naka-mute. So, yeah, aside from that, by the way, clarification pala, it was my mistake earlier when I mentioned that the Seiren X for PS4 or the Seiren X PS4 version is using a USB Type C. So, kung tama ako, I mentioned the cable is Type C to Type A, wherein yung Type A yung ipa-plug sa PC. But when I actually checked it again, the cable is actually USB micro. So the usual, I don't know, the usual, what do you call this? The usual charging cable for the Android devices. Yung most rampant kasi I know that Android devices are transferring to USB-C, but currently rampant pa yung USB micro. So yes, it's the Seiren X microphone is using a braided cable, black braided cable with a USB micro connector. Yeah, pero yung form factor niya is naka L-shape siya. Yes. So, yun. Again, I won't be taking this further. So this is the uh mic check or yeah mic check of the Razer Seiren X. So mic check 1 2, mic check 2.
If you lie on the grass, you can feel the heartbeat of the world.
So for quick comparison again, here is the Seiren X. So again, I'm using Seiren X here, and then
Here is the Fantech microphone. So yeah, kayo na lang mag-decide kung ano yung gusto. But I will be reviewing this still. I think clear naman yung Seiren X, mainly because it's a condenser mic and not a headphone mic, headset mic.
so again, this is the Seiren X.
and then this is my normal driver, my day-to-day driver.
So let me know what you think. Um, by the way, for the price, I got the Seiren X from Lazada for
Should we really be off this
just,
early?
I believe,
There's still a lot left to do.
4,300. Um, ipakita yung price. But yeah, I believe around 4,300. Um, for 4,600 to 4,300. So, currently kasi ano siya,
It's so
sale
nice
siya.
to de-stress.
But yes, that has been the unboxing and the review, or the quick review of Razer Seiren X. So tell me what you think. I don't know, comment it below or something. So for the time being, this has been Ikaruga Gaming. Thank you very much for watching.